Matarik yung wala dito guys. So matarik. Ayan oh, pataas, bababa, paikot-ikot pa. What's up mga guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Junito Maranado Vlog. And for today's video, we're here at Macho Temple, La Union. So guys, we will make a tour here because... And guys, welcome here to the Macho Temple, La Union. And what's up mga guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Junito Maranado Vlog. And for today's video, we're here at Elio, and specifically at San Juan, La Union. So guys, we'll make a tour here. And guys, we're here at Gapos Grape Farm. Ito yun yung pwedeng i-harvest na grapes. So, mag-grape picking tayo for today's video. Ito yung mga pwedeng i-pick pa dito guys. Ayan oh, marami tayo dito. And what's up mga guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Junito Maranado Vlog. And for today's video, we're here at Gapos Grapes Farm. So guys, mag-join us. Before anything else, if you're new to my channel, please consider to subscribe and click the bell button so that updated tayo sa videos natin. Junito Maranado Vlog. Matarik yung wala dito guys. So matarik. Ayan oh, pataas, bababa, paikot-ikot pa. Sakit yung katawan mo dito. Ikot-ikot ng...
Ano ba sa ikaw? Oh no. Sige, nagpasa sa'yo. Ikaw pa rin. Sleep ka na. Sakit lang.
Nabibingi ako guys.
Pinapa-overtake ako sa bridge. Pinapa-overtake niya ako dito sa bridge.
Ang kulit pala. Super na in La Union guys. Bawang na to no? Yung bawang La Union na kami guys. At dadaan kami ng
in 300 meters,
Macho Temple.
stay to the right to 54 Quirino, Negilian Highway. Then turn in 300 meters, turn right onto MacArthur Highway, Manila.
Kaya iba kasing cell. Sinunod ko na Macho.
Stay to the right to 54 Quirino, Negilian. Take the second right onto MacArthur Highway, Manila North Road.
So guys, this is the bawang proper.
Continue on MacArthur Highway for 6 kilometers.
Yan mo ng gasoline station, ma'am. Medyo
Estimated
maganda,
time in traffic, 8 minutes.
Yan, Petron.
Upo daw siya.
Continue
Sige pa.
straight for 15 minutes to San Fernando Bypass Road.
Kaya pala ayaw niya maghiga.
Bypass pala. Pupunta kaming bypass road.
Yung temple ba nasa bypass pwede doon magpalit siya doon.
Sa bypass.
Mamaya. Mas matulog sa guys. Bawang. Dito yung bawang.
Ayun, guys.
Pumapasok ako sa CR, kaya ayaw niya magpahugas dun eh. Ganda pala buhay ni ate, ganda na.
So guys, sobrang init dito sa La Union. Ito ang tawag.
Ay, hindi ako dadaan sa ano pa, sa diversion.
Madaarin mo ano na yun? Yan na sa'yo.
No. Don't
Don't go there.
Pagudpud, Barangay Hall.
300 meters.
Bang.
Turn right.
go in there.
Sige kami don't back. Sila kay Papa.
Sa likod eh.
Water na lab. Kita mo lab?
Smile na siya.
Si Ariana.
Nakasmile na.
Oh, may water na. Did you see?
In 600 meters, slide right onto near Lorenzo L. Jacome Avenue.
Yung traffic sign. Uport na pasyon na.
Sayang nga yung store dito. Nagsara yun. Hindi maganda kasi.
Kaya pa yung mga stuff eh.
Hindi nag-boom. Walang kita.
Ay sigurado, wala. Kadang yan.
Take the next left onto Governor.
May tree
Ortega
wooden.
Street. Turn left on Governor. Ortega. Turn left on 2 Quezon Avenue.
Ito ng Machu Temple, oh. Standing by
Machu Temple, oh.
Diyan tayo para punta?
Tama na daw natin yan.
Sino sabi?
Sabi dito.
Oh.
Oh, ito na yung
Take
Machu
the next
Temple,
left
guys.
onto Macho Temple driveway. Then your destination will be on the left.
Ito yung pa yung ano eh, restaurant eh. Papunta yun doon sa
Making
lalagpasan natin to.
Mauna yung pag-web sa ano ata.
Hindi, mauna to.
Mauna yung restaurant pag-web.
Your destination is on the left.
Parking area.
Chinese temple.
And guys, welcome here to the Macho Temple, La Union. What's up mga guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Junito Maranado Vlog, and for today's video we're here at Macho Temple, La Union. So guys, we will make a tour here. Sobrang init ang panahon guys kasi tanghaling tapat kami nandito. And this is the front area. Ayan guys. Mag quick walking tour tayo dito guys. On the way na kami guys to the hotel at San Juan, La Union.
San Juan.
So we'll steer here at the San Fernando. Galing po kami guys ng Macho Temple. So welcome guys at Fat Wave Surf Resort here at San Juan, La Union. And what's up mga guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Junito Maranado Vlog. And for today's video, we're here at LU and we are checking here at Fat Wave Surf Resort dito sa San Juan, La Union. So
there was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine.
So welcome to LU guys. So this is our team.
Rider ka na. Huwag mong intindihin, Mike, diretso ka lang.
Huwag lang mong intindihin.
Huwag mong intindihin, Mike, diretso.
And what's up mga guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Junito Maranado Vlog. And for today's video, we're here at Gapos Grapes Farm. So guys, mag grape picking po tayo for today's video. And guys, we're here at Gapos Grape Farm. Ito yun yung pwedeng i-harvest na grapes. So, mag-grape picking tayo for today's video. Ito yung mga pwedeng i-pick pa dito guys. Ayan o, marami tayo dito. At sa ngayon, hindi siya ganun ka season niya. Kaya 350 per kilo. So, umaabot na siya ng 250 kapag mga season niya guys. So ito marami rin mga tourist. At yan muna for today's video. Junito Maranado Vlog.
Ay, natanggal doon. Tumahan na lang.
Meron bang sidul?
Meron po.
Huwag kang sidul.
So medyo mapan yung daan namin guys, madulas. So after grape picking guys, meron tayong one dito, mga wine and souvenir for today's video. And that's our latest update here at Gapos Grape Farm, Bawang La Union. Don't forget to subscribe, Junito Marinado Vlog, and click that bell button so that updated tayo sa mga videos natin.